Hello, food enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of almond extract, a beloved ingredient in kitchens around the world. This aromatic flavor enhancer has a starring role in a variety of cuisines and is a favorite among bakers. But have you ever stopped to consider almond extract's caloric content? There's a common belief that it's calorie-free or extremely low in calories, but is this accurate? Stay tuned as we unravel the hidden caloric content in this culinary superstar. Ever wondered how almond extract is made? It's a fascinating process. Let's dive right in. Almond extract is a delightful concoction that starts with high-quality almonds. These almonds are soaked in a mixture of water and alcohol, usually ethanol, which allows the natural oils and flavors to be released. This mixture is then distilled and aged, allowing the flavors to meld and intensify, resulting in the aromatic, nutty extract we all love. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: imitation almond extract. While it might mimic the flavor of almonds, it's actually made from chemicals like benzaldehyde, a compound found in peach pits. The flavor, while similar, lacks the depth and richness of pure almond extract. So whether you're whipping up a batch of macaroons or adding a dash to your morning coffee, remember that the taste of pure almond extract is a result of a meticulous extraction process. Now that we know how it's made, let's understand its caloric content. Contrary to popular belief, almond extract isn't calorie-free. Let's break down the numbers. A typical serving of almond extract, that's about a teaspoon, contains roughly 12 calories. Now compare that to other extracts you might use in your kitchen. Vanilla extract, also about 12 calories per teaspoon. Lemon extract, a smidge less at 11 calories. You see, the myth that almond extract is calorie-free or extremely low-calorie isn't entirely accurate. This misconception might have originated from the fact that we typically use extracts in such small amounts that their caloric contribution to a dish seems negligible. However, it's important to remember that these small amounts can add up, especially if you're using these extracts frequently or in large quantities. So as you can see, the calories in almond extract can add up, especially if you're using it frequently. It's always good to be mindful of the small details. They're often more significant than you might think. How does almond extract stack up against whole almonds in terms of calories? A teaspoon of almond extract has about 12 calories, while a single whole almond contains around 7 calories. However, the nutritional benefits of whole almonds are worth considering. They are rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. So while almond extract adds a punch of flavor, whole almonds provide both flavor and a nutritional boost. It's clear that while almond extract brings flavor, whole almonds bring both flavor and nutrition. For those of you counting calories, don't worry, we've got some tips for you. When using almond extract, it's crucial to measure accurately. A little can go a long way, so use a measuring spoon rather than pouring directly from the bottle. This way, you're less likely to overdo it and inadvertently add extra calories. If you're a frequent user of almond extract, consider alternatives to keep your calorie count in check. For instance, almond-flavored liqueurs, while still caloric, often contain fewer calories than pure almond extract. You can also opt for almond milk or almond butter, which offer a similar flavor profile with the added benefit of nutritional value. For a calorie-free option, consider almond essence. Though it doesn't provide the same depth of flavor, it can be a good substitute in recipes where almond is not the star ingredient. Remember, every ingredient counts when it comes to calories, even the ones used in small amounts. We've covered a lot today, from understanding how almond extract is made to debunking myths about its caloric content. We've learned that while it's a flavor powerhouse, it does carry some calories. This knowledge can help us make informed decisions in our culinary adventures. Remember, every ingredient, no matter how small, contributes to the overall caloric content of your dishes. It's all about balance and mindfulness. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep creating delicious dishes.